I'm Richard Kluth with Bandweaver. This week I'm joining you from Singapore. You can see this country's beautiful skyline behind us, a city with a great tradition of both innovation and cultural heritage. On this week's episode, I'm going to take you on a journey across Singapore to see some of the Bandweaver's intelligent distributed fibre optic systems installed across the city, showing how we help keep this city safe, connected and resilient. Thank you for joining me. Without further ado, let's start going. I'm here in Marina Bay, intersection of financial district and retail and entertainment sector. But it's not just above ground what you see that we protect. We also protect assets underground. And here we work with the national utility company, SP Group, to protect their underground power cables. We use our distributed temperature sensing systems to provide fault protection, capacity measurements, and overall just increase the reliability of their networks, making sure that both financial districts and entertainment sectors have a reliable source of power. I'm here in Tai Seng, home of China Mobile's International Data Center, which you can see here behind me. Here, Bandweaver provides a fibre optic perimeter intrusion detection system for the data center. Digital data centers form the backbone of the digital economy, and it's critical they operate 24/7. So with a state-of-the-art fibre optic perimeter intrusion detection system, you can ensure you have continued security at all times. Right, on to the next location. Where's that number 51 bus? Hi, here I am in Fort Canning Park, one of Singapore's most beautiful destinations, a place rich in heritage and one of the most popular tourist spots in Singapore. So what's Bandweaver protecting here? Let's go find out. So here I am at Fort Canning Tunnel, the tunnel that runs underneath Fort Canning Park, a recent engineering project deploying the latest in technology but minimising impact on its environment. Some of that technology includes Bandweaver Fire Laser Linear Height Detection System, which provides comprehensive fire detection throughout the entire tunnel length. Let's see if I can hitch a load to our next destination. Hi, I'm in the west of the island now. Behind me is the port, and behind that, Jurong Island. Jurong Island is one of the hubs for critical infrastructure projects in Singapore. And Bandweaver has installed a fibre optic perimeter intrusion detection system on the desalination plant based in Jurong Island, providing round-the-clock security for this critical infrastructure facility. Thank you. Right, now back to the town centre. Well, I'm here back at Boat Quay. It's been a long day. We've covered a lot of sites on this incredible city, and it's been impressive to see how many installations Bandweaver's done. But at the heart of it all, although there's lots of technology, engineering systems, in the end these are all for supporting people, communities, and so it's good to be back amongst the people, drinking a drink of the local beer, and thank you for coming with me. Here's to the next time.